If you've ever struggled with duplicate vendor entries in QuickBooks, you're not alone. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to merge vendors cleanly and confidently in QuickBooks Online so you can keep your records tidy and your workflow efficient. Let's get right into it. Start by opening QuickBooks Online, your main hub for managing all things accounting. On the homepage, look toward the top right corner and click Sign In. Enter your email and password carefully, then hit Sign In again to access your dashboard. Once you're in, find the Expenses tab in the main menu. This is where all your cost and vendor information lives. Inside Expenses, click Suppliers to bring up your complete vendor list. Now, choose the vendor profile you want to merge. Click the vendor's name to open their details. Once you're inside the profile, look for the Edit button. This is where the magic happens. In the Edit screen, you'll see the vendor's display name. To merge this vendor with another, simply replace the current display name with the exact name of the vendor you want to keep. Make sure the names match perfectly, spelling, spacing, everything, because QuickBooks only merges when the names are identical. After entering the correct name, click Save. QuickBooks will ask you to confirm that you want to merge the two profiles. Select Yes, and the vendors will instantly merge into one clean, consolidated record, and that's all it takes. With just a few clicks, you've reduced clutter, eliminated duplicates, and made your QuickBooks vendor list far more accurate, all of which improves your overall accounting efficiency. Thanks for watching. If this guide helps simplify your QuickBooks workflow, feel free to like the video, share it with others, and subscribe for more quick and practical tutorials.